and Guru Maharaj. Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for joining this session and giving your very valuable association and time this morning and enlightening on the topic of Antya Leela. I hand over the call to Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
As usual, when we chant the Chaitanya Charitamrita, when we read from Chaitanya Charitamrita, we do the first 14 verses of Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Leela, first chapter. These are the Mangalacharan of the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Vande Gurunni Shabhaktani Isham Ishavatarakan Tat Prakashan Tat Shakti Krishna Chaitanya Sanjakam De Sri Krishna Chaitanya Nityanando Sahodito Gaudode Pushpavanto Chitra Sando Tamonudo Yadadvaitam Brahmopanishadi Tadapyasya Tanubha Yantaryaya Purushaha Iti Sosyam Shavaibhavaha Shadaishwaryai Purnoya He Bhagavan Saswayam Mayam Na Chaitanyat Krishna Jagati Paratattvam Paramiham Anarpita Charim Chirat Karanayavatirna Kalau Samarpayatum Munnatojjula Rasam Swabhakti Shriyam Haripurata Sundara Juti Kadamba Sandipitaha Sadarade Kandare Sprotava Sati Nandana Radha Krishna Pranaya Kritrulajini Shakti Rasmat Ekatmanavapi Vipuradeha Vedam Katauto Chaitanyakyam Prakadamaduna Tadvayam Chaikyamaptam Radha Bhavajuti Suvalitam Nomi Krishna Swarupam Shri Radhaya Pranaya Mahima Kidrisho Vaneva Swadhyo Inadbhutamadrima Kidrisho Vamadiyaha Sokyam Chasamadhanubhavatah Kidasham Vetilobhat Tadbhavadya Samajani Sachigarbha Sindhu Harindu Sankarshanak Karana Tavishai Garbhodashai Chapayodishai Sheshaschasyam Sakala Sanitya Dakramam Sharanam Mamastu Mayatite Vyapi Vaikuntaloke Purnaishwareshi Chaturvyuha Matye Rupam Yasyotpati Sankarshanakyam Shrityanandaramam Prapadye Maya Bharta Janda Sangashtayangaha Sete Sakshatkaranam Bodhi Madhye Yasekam Shashripumanadi Devas Tam Shri Nityanandaramam Prapadye Yasyam Sham Sham Sahasrilagarbhodashai Yennabjam Lokasanghatanalam Lokasashta Sutigadamadatus Tam Shri Nityanandaramam Prapadye Yasyam Sham Sham Shah Paramatma Gilanam Poshtavishtarbadi Dugdhabdishai Tam Smivartasyat Kalasya Pirantas Tam Shri Nityanandaramam Prapadye Mahavishnu Jagat Karta Mayaya Hashijat Yadaha Asyavatare Vayam Advaitachari Ishvaraha Advaitam Harina Advaitat Acharyam Bhakti Samshri Bhaktavataram Isham Tam Advaitacharyam Ashre Panchatattvatmakam Krishnam Bhaktarupasvarupakam Bhaktavataram Bhaktakyam Namami Bhakta Shaktikam Etam Surator Pangu Mamandamater Gati Matsarvasvapadam Bhojau Radha Madana Mohano Divyatvandaranyagalapadrumadaha Srimad Ratnagara Simhasanasto Srimad Radha Shila Govinda Devo Ashtralabhisya Vimano Smarami Shriman Rasra Sarambi Vamshi Vatatatastha Ashramvena Suner Gopir Gopinatha Shri Estunaha. So we are reading from Antarila chapter 7, meeting of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with Vallabh Bhatta. Now starting from text number 21. Now the context is that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is glorifying the devotees, his own devotees, because Vallabh Bhatta has come and then he is talking about Prema Prakashana Kare Krishna Shakti Vina Krishna Eka Prema Data Shastra Pramane. Without being empowered by Krishna, nobody can manifest ecstatic love. For Krishna is the only person who can give ecstatic love. So for that, there is a beautiful verse quoted from Villamangal Thakur's Snatvavatara Bhavaha Pushkaraha Nabhyasya Sarvato Brata Krishnad Nanya Kova Latasu Vipremado Bhavati. Rupa Goswami in Laghu Bhagavatamrita quotes this verse. There may be many auspicious incarnations of personalities of Godhead, but who other than Krishna can bestow love of God, love of God upon surrendered souls? Now, Mahaprabhu, Sunobhatta, Mahamati, Mayavadi Sannyasiyami, because Vallabhatta was glorifying Mahaprabhu, then Mahaprabhu with his utmost humility, he says, Mayavadi Sannyasiyami, Najani Krishna Bhakti. I don't know what is Krishna Bhakti. Because the whole chapter is now presented to destroy the pride of Vallabhatta. Now we should know who is Vallabhatta. Vallabhatta is a Vallabhacharya. Vallabhatta is Vallabhacharya, who is the Pushti Marga. He is there. He is Acharya for the Pushti Marga. I am reading the 16th verse, 7th chapter. Mahaprabhu ko Shuno Bhatta Mayavadi Bhatta Mahamati, great person you are. I am Mayavadi. Na jani Krishna Bhakti. I don't know what is Krishna Bhakti. Then Advaita Acharya Gosai Sakshat Ishvara Tahara Sangya Amara Mama Haira Nirmala. So by the association of Advaita Acharya, my mind has become purified. So he is now glorifying the devotees for their humility, for their greatness. At the same time, he is expressing his humility because he wants to bring humility in the mind, in the heart of Vallabhacharya. Sarvashastre Krishna Bhakte Nahiyana Sama Ateva Advaita Acharya Tahanama. Advaitam Harinadvaitat. Here, Advaita Acharya is being called Advaita Acharya because there is nobody equal to him in understanding of the scriptures. Now, Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is indirectly hinting, oh Vallabhacharya, what do you think? You think you are the knower of scriptures? But actually, Advaita Acharya is a person who really knows the scriptures. That is why he is called Advaita Acharya. 19th verse. Yahara Kripate Malechera Hoy Krishna Bhakti. So those by whose mercy, by Advaita Acharya's mercy, even the Malechers means those who are meat eaters, they take up Krishna Bhakti. Ke kahite pare tara Vaishnava Shakti. Who can actually talk about the power of Advaita Acharya's power of his Vaishnavata, his Vaishnavism? Nobody can actually measure Advaita Acharya's power of Vaishnavism. Nityananda Avaduta Sakshat Ishvara Bhavonmada Matta Krishna Premira Sagara. Nityananda is Avadut, is Sakshat Ishvara. He's actually Supreme Lord himself. Bhavonmade Matta Krishna Premira Sagara. Bhavonmade Matta is always in Krishna Prema Bhava, in ecstasy. And Krishna Prema Sagara is drowned in the ocean of Krishna Prema. Shad Darshana Vetta Bhattacharya Sarvama Shad Darshana Jagat Guru Bhagavatottama. Now hear about Saramudachari. Saramudachari perfectly knows the 6 systems of philosophy. We know what are the 6 systems of philosophy. Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Sankhya, Yoga, Purvimamsa, Uttarimamsa. So these 6 systems of philosophy. Saramudachari is a perfect knower of 6 systems of philosophy. And he is now the master of the entire world, spiritual master of the entire world. And now he has become a devotee. You see, it is not that only few devotees are there who are not so well read. Saramudachari, do you think anybody is equal to Saramudachari in the knowledge of pure 66 systems of philosophy? No. Even such a person has become a devotee here. So humble. So to bring up humility in the mind of other person, you have to talk about great personalities who are greater than the other person whom you're talking to. And also they have become so humble. If you talk about Praja Prataprudra, he is sweeping the road in front of Jagannath. He's become a sweeper of Jagannath. Then all the other people who are so puffed up by the aristocracy, they'll understand. The king is so humble, then we should also be humble. The humility comes like this. When you hear a person who is very great and has taken a humble position. Salmadachari, Shaddarshana Vetta, Shaddarshana Jagadguru, Bhagavatottama. Now he's become a Bhagavatottama. After glorifying Advaita Acharya, Nityananda Prabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu glorifies Salmadachari. यहाँ देखिला मोरा भक्ति योग पार. Salmadachari, actually he showed me what is the limit of devotion. Ahar prasade jain lo Krishna bhakti yoga sar. Actually, it is by the mercy of Salmadachari I understood what is devotion to Krishna. Devotion is the essence of Krishna. That is what I understood. Oh, Venkata Vallabh Bhatta, you are thinking that you are a great devotee. Actually, you see what is devotion from these people. Ramanandraya Krishna Rasera Nijan. Ramanandraya is Krishna Rasera Nidan. He is the Nidhana of the Krishna Rasa. Yena Janilo Krishna Swayam Bhagavan. He actually instructed me. Who is Krishna? He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Rasera Nidhan is the essence of all rasas. Tate Prema Bhakti Purushartha Shiromani. Ragamarge Prema Bhakti Sarva Adhika Jani. Actually, when I went to Ramanandraya, I met him. At the time, he instructed me, Ragamarge Prema Bhakti Sarva Adhika Jani. Only by Raga Bhakti one can attain Krishna Prema. One can attain Rajendranand Krishna only by Raga Marga. By Vaidhi, you can only go to Vaikunta. But if you want to go to Vrindavan, you have to accept Raga Marga. So, this was told to me by Ramanandraya. And Prema Bhakti is Purushartha Shiromani. There are 4 Purusharthas. Prema Bhakti is Panchama Purushartha. The topmost Purushartha, Prema Bhakti. So, it was taught to me by who? None other than Ramanandraya. So, Ramayana taught me all these things. Ragamarge Prema Bhakti Sarvadhika Jani. Only by Ragamarga, Prema Bhakti can be known completely. Now, Dasya Sakhya Vatsalya Araye Singara, Dasya Sakhya Guru Kanta Ashraya Yahara. So we have Dasya Bhakti, Sakhya Vatsalya Ara Singara. These are actually the topmost mellows in devotion. Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya, and Madhurya. Dasya, Sakhya, Guru Kanta, Ashraya, Yahara. Now all the others, the servant, friend, superior, and conjugal lover, the shelters of transcendent mellows called Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya, and Shringara. Aishwarya Jnana Yukta Kevala Bhavar, Aishwarya Jnana Napai Vajendra Kumar. Now in that there are 2. One is Aishwarya Jnana Yukta and other one is Kevala. 2 varieties. And those who are Aishwarya Jnana Yukta, Napai Rajendra Kumar, they will not attain Rajendra Nanda. Nayam Sukhapo Bhagavan, Teginam Gopika Sutaha, Naninam Chatma Bhutanam, Yatha Bhakti Vatamiha. Verse from Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto. Supreme Personality of God, Krishna. Who is he? He's actually son of Yashoda, Gopika Sutaha. And those, he is accessible only to whom? Yatha Bhaktir Matamiha. Only by those who practice the Raga Bhakti. Only they can attain. Others, those who are Jnanis, and then doing so much of austerities or self-realization, they cannot attain Krishna in Rajendra. Atma Bhuta Shabde Kahe Parishadagana Aishwarya Jnana Lakshmi Napaila Rajendra Nandana. We know Atma Bhuta, word Atma Bhuta means personal associates. And through the understanding of Lord Krishna's opulence, the goddess of fortune could not really receive the shelter of Krishna, son of Nandamara. Even Lakshmi Devi herself is trying to find out, the shelter of Krishna. Krishna in Vrindavan. Even she is not able to attain Krishna in Vrindavan. She is also not able to attain Krishna. In spite of her so much of knowledge of Krishna's opulence. Because those who are enground and attached to the opulent form of Krishna, they cannot attain the sweetness of Krishna. On the other hand, the gopis, they just know Krishna as their lover, that's all. And they have no idea of Krishna's opulence. For them, Krishna is not Bhagavan. Krishna is their lover. So their fortune is just see. So nice. Nayam Striyonga Punitantarate Prasada Parayoshidam Nalinagandarucham Kutunya Asotsavesya Ujadandagrihitakantha Labdhashisham Yad Udagat Prajasundarina. Just see the fortune attained by the gopis. What is the fortune? Krishna by his Bhujadanda, Bhuja means shoulder, Danda means hand. Krishna by his hands, what did he do? He embraced the neck of the gopis. Bhuja Grihita Kantha. Labdhashisham Yad Udagat Prajasundarinam. Radhasundari has got this Mahasaubhagya of Krishna personally actually catching hold of the neck of the gopis with his hands. And Nayam Striyo. And this fortune was not available for the Swarayoshitam, for those who are the beautiful woman in Swarga, from whose body nice, wonderful fragrance comes. Even they could not attain the fortune which the gopis attained. Then what to speak of those people, ordinary ladies in this world, who are just ordinary. Shuddha Bhave, Sakakare, Skandhi Arohan. And just see this Krishna, Brajendran Krishna is so wonderful. Thus, Shuddha Bhave, Sakakare, Skanda Arohan. Saka means the boyfriends of Krishna, covered boys of Krishna. They climb onto the shoulders of Krishna. Shuddha Bhave, Vrajeshwari, Kareno Bandhan. And what did she do? Vrajeshwari, Yashoda. She bound Krishna. So that is the nature of Brajendran Krishna, sweetness of Krishna, Vrajabhav. And all the devotees who my associates are going to go to Vrajadhan. Mora Saka, Mora Putra, Yei Shuddhan Mama, Mana, Ateva, Shuka Vyasakare, Prashamsana. So, the Kevala Bhaktas, those who are devoid of any understanding of Krishna's opulence, Krishna's Bhagavatva, consider Krishna as a friend, Mora Saka, my friend, Mora Putra, my son. So this devotion of Rajagopis and the Sakas of Vrindavan is glorified by Vyasa and Sukadeva Goswami. How did they glorify? Ittam Satam Brahma Sukhanabhutya Asyam Gadanam Paradevatena Maya Shritanam Nadarakena Sakyam Vichukur Punjam Punya Punja. What kind of fortune these coward boys have done? That now, what they are doing? They are playing with Krishna, the Supreme Lord. Those Ittam Sutam Brahma Sukhanabhutya. Those who are engaged in self-realization, appreciating the Brahman, even they don't have this fortune. I want to speak of Dasyam Gatanam Paradevatema. And those who are accepting the Supreme Lord as a master, and even they are not able to get the fortune what these cowards boys are getting. And those Maya Shitanam Nadarakena, and what to speak of those who understand Krishna as ordinary person, they can never understand. Only the Vrajagopis, the Sakas of Krishna, they had this great fortune of playing in the courtyard of Nanda Maharaj with Krishna. Trayatopanishadabhischa Angyayogaischa Satvate Upagiyamana Mahatmyam Harim Samantatam Janam. Yashoda, what did she do? Saw all the universes in the mouth of Krishna, and she was totally bewildered, astonished. Now, the followers of the three Vedas, they are worshipping. The Lord is worshipped like Indra and other demigods, and they do a lot of sacrifice to Krishna. And some people worshipping impersonal Brahman. Now the super soul, all the philosophers are seeing Krishna as super soul, supreme personality of Godhead, but Yashoda considered Lord to be the son. Whatever may be the fact, it's all fact. Krishna is bodily effulgence is Brahman, Krishna is Supreme Lord. All these things are fact. But Yashoda did not bother about all these things. She only considered Krishna as a son. Nanda kimakarod Brahman Shreya evam modayan Yashoda va mahabhaga apojyasyastanam hari. Nanda kimakarod Brahman. Oh, Nanda Maharaj, what kind of punya, what he has done? Shreya evam mahodayam. Then what kind of pious activities Yashoda has done? That the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Yashoda, what Supreme Personality of God Krishna, what is he doing? Apo yasya stanam harihi. Supreme Lord Krishna, who is feeding the entire world, is crying for Yashoda to give milk. And now Yashoda comes with great love and lifts Krishna. And now Krishna, what is he? He is drinking milk from the breast of Yashoda. What fortune she has done. Aishwarya dekhi leha शुद्धेरा न है ऐश्वर्य ज्ञान अथवा ऐश्वर्य हाइते केवला भाव प्रदान. Even if your devotee sees the opulence of Krishna, he does not accept it. Yashoda, Nanda Maharaj, in all the covered boys, they saw Krishna lifting Govardhan. They saw Krishna killing demons, and Yashoda saw universal form in the stomach of Krishna. But still, they are not bewildered. Both Yamaraj and feet fell down. The small boys came into Nanda Maharaj. We saw Krishna made the feet fall down. Nanda Maharaj told, hey, what answers are you doing? Yeah, then all the Nanda Gopas friends, they came and told, no, we heard from Gargacharya that your Lord, your son is Narayana. I heard, maybe he must be a demigod. So we told, no, God has incarnated in your house. You know that? Nanda Maharaj told all of them, go to your house. God has no other work. What? He has found only my house to incarnate. No, Krishna is not God in it. He is my son. He drove them out. So this is called Kyorama. Yehi Sabha, Sikhaila Mora, Rai Ramananda. And quoting all these things, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Rai Ramananda taught me all these things. Anargala Rasaveta, Prema Sukhananda. Ramananda Rai is Anargala Diyam, Anargala Sukha. So, what is the meaning of Anargala? Is constantly, Anargala means constantly. Rasaveta, Ramananda is completely engrossed in Krishna consciousness, undeviated Krishna consciousness, and he knows all the technicalities of rasa. He taught me all these things. Kahana na Raya Prasade Jainu Rajera Shuddha Bhav. Actually, you are thinking that you are such a great personality, na? Knowledge, you have so much of knowledge. But actually, I'll tell you, nobody knows better than Ramananda Rai. It is impossible to describe the amount of knowledge Ramananda Rai has. It is impossible to describe the kind of influence Ramananda Rai has by his knowledge. And I'm telling you, Vallabhatta, please listen. Raya Prasade. It is by the mercy of Ramanand Rai. Jani Linu Rajendra Shuddha Bhav. I came to know that the Shuddha Bhav, the pure form of love, which the Brajvasis have for Krishna. Damodara Swarupo Premarasa Murtiman Yara Sange Haila Braja Madhura Rasyan. Shri Swarup Damodar. It is he who is Prema Rasa Murtiman. He is a personification of Prema Rasa. Prema Rasa Murtiman. Yara Sange Haila Braja Madhura Rasyan. By his association, I have the association understood Vrindavan's transcendental hello. Shuddha Prema Vrajadevira Kama Gandhahina Krishna Sukha Tapatraya E Tarachinha. Actually, what you see as lust, not even a trace of lust is there in the consciousness of Radharani and the gopis. They're so pure. Why? Because they're always interested in pleasing Krishna. Krishna Sukha Tatparya Yai Tara Chinha. How do you know something is pure? When somebody is just thinking of Krishna Sukha, happiness of Krishna, that is the only thing which can really make it pure. Only to satisfy Krishna. And to such an extent, the gopis in the Gopi Gita, the last verse, they say, Yatte sujata charanam buruham staneshu Bhitashane priyadadi mahi karkasheshu Tena tavi matasitad vetatena kim svit Purvadibir Brahmatidir Bhavadayushamna. Very beautiful verse. The last verse of the Gopi Gita. It says, the gopis, they are suffering in separation from Krishna. Even in their suffering, some separation from Krishna, they are thinking Krishna Sukha. Oh Krishna, okay, we are suffering, we don't mind we suffering. Anyway, it is your nature to give suffering to us. But, oh Krishna, you're dancing without chappals. In Vrindavan, you never wear chappals. I know you're dancing without barefoot, and you ran away. In the barefoot, you must be going in forest, and the thorns, really pebbles. They'll be hurting your feet. And so that, Krishna, please come back to keep your feet on our breasts. Yatte sujata. They're so fine. Charanam buruham. Your charana, your feet are very sujata. Sujata means very, very fine, very soft, mrudu. And the forest stones and pebbles and thorns will be pricking you, giving you so much of pain. So keep it on our breast. Stanam buruham, charanam buruham staneshu. Hitashane dadimahi. Now the gopis they feel, oh, maybe our breasts are also so hard. So we are afraid that our hard breast must be also giving you a lot of pain. And they are feeling pain, thinking of Krishna feeling the pain because of his hard breast. So just see the purity of Gopi's devotion. In spite of severe pain which they are experiencing from separation from Krishna, in that they are thinking of Krishna Sukha. Gopi Ganera Shuddha Prema Aishwarya Jnana Hina. Gopi Ganera, all the gopis, Shuddha Prema, pure prema, is Aishwarya Jnana Hina. They don't think Krishna is God. They don't have any idea of Krishna's Aishwarya. Premete Barsna Kare Ye Tara Chinna. Out of love, they scold Krishna. How they scold Krishna? Maya Ratra Bandhavan Ativilagyate Chutagata Gatividas Tavo gita mohita kitava yoshita tasya jenishi. Now, in Gopi Gita, it's very interesting. There are always two meanings to each verse. One verse, if you take from one meaning, one meaning, according to the mood of the gopis, belong to the Chandravali group, which are of the Dakshina Bhava. They are expressing their humility. Oh Krishna, we gave up everybody. Avilangita, ati vilangita, tenta chutagata, we have come to you. Now, please accept. Don't be a cheater. On the other hand, the gopis of side of Radharani, they say, Kitava Yoshita. Oh, Kitava, Kaitava. Kaitava Yoshita. Or Kitava Yoshita. You are a cheater. So we belong to the mood of Radharani. Or the group, the rightist group. Far right group of scolding Krishna. So Radharani and her group. And especially the guru of Radharani, Lalita Sati. She always says, Ma Dakshina Bhavam. Never ever go to Dakshina Bhavam. And she, Iti Sikshayanti, Durte Krishna. His Durta is a rascal. Lalita is always teaching Radharani to scold Krishna. She sometimes says, I told you, Radhe, that this Krishna is black from outside, inside also is black. And every day in the morning, what we do? We scold Krishna in the last verse of Krishna, Shastram. Yata tata va vidadatu lampato. A lampat. For people in UP, Bihar, if you say lampat, they'll become very angry. It's a big gali for them. And now we say lampat. Krishna is lampat every day. So, Sarvottama Bhajana Ye Sarva Bhakti Jani. You should know Sarvottama Bhajana, the topmost bhajan, is this to scold Krishna every day. Atheva Krishna kahe, Ami tumhara rini. That is why Krishna, he says to the gopis that Naparayeham niravadhyasam samyujam. Naparayeham, I cannot repay your debts. Sasadu krityam vibudhashuyamapi. Not in this life, next life, hundreds and hundreds of lifetimes, even to the entire lifetime of Brahma, if I try to repay the debts, what? I cannot, because you have given up everything for me and I cannot do it. Can Krishna give up everyone? No. He is for everyone, so he cannot give up. Yes, Yamabjam Durjara Geha Shrinkala. Why? Because Durjara Geha Shrinkalam, this Geha Shrinkalam, attachment to the house is so hard to give up. And you have given up for my sake. Samrichai Tadvaha Pratiyapatiyatu Sadhuna. If at all, I want to try, if I can try to repay your debts, let me glorify. Let me glorify. The whole purpose of Krishna coming in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the mode of Radharani is this. What is that? To glorify the Krishna Prema, which the gopis have. So this is the speciality of Krishna, is to glorify the gopis, glorify Srimati Radharani. So he thought, let me try. Even he failed. Krishna could not do that properly. That is why he had to take shelter of Radharani to actually glorify the gopis, Krishna Prema, in order to try to satisfy or repay the debts of the gopis. Aishwarya Jnana Haite Kevala Bhava Pradhan Prithvite Bhakta Nahi Uddhava Saman. Now, completely distinct from the love of Krishna is opulence. Pure love of Krishna is on the highest level. On the surface of the world, there is no devotee greater than Uddhava. Because Uddhava, Prithvite Bhakta Nahi Uddhava Saman. Tenayara Pada Dhuli Karenu Prarthana. Even that Uddhava, what did he do? Let me be a small grass, blade of grass in Vrindavan, so that when the gopis are running here and there, they will sometimes keep the lotus feet on my head, and the dust of the lotus feet will purify me. And somehow or other, I can attain Krishna one day. Even Uddhava thinks like that. That is why he says, Asannaho charanarenu jushamaham syam vrindavane kimapi gulma lataushadhinam yadustyajam swajanam marya patam chahitva tejur mukunda padavim rutibir vimrudyam. The gopis have given up the association, husbands, sons, and all their family members. And they're very difficult. Dustyajam, very difficult to give up. And not only that, they have given up the vow of chastity and everything. Just for what? To attain the lotus feet of Krishna. Oh, such great gopis. Let me be Vrindavane kimapi gulma lato kashi. Let me just be a small piece of grass or some lata, so that asamaho charnarenu jushamaham syam. So that when the gopis, they just run around here, the dust of the lotus feet may fall on my head. This is how Uddhava, he thought, oh, Krishna sent me to Vrindavan, Praja, to give some message, but actually what message I am going to give them? Krishna told me to convey a message to the gopis saying, don't cry. But how can I tell don't cry? Because they are crying for Krishna, which is the highest thing. Did Krishna send me to pacify them, or did Krishna send me to learn what is prema? The gopis have become my prema guru. Uddhava, who is Brahaspati Sishya. In Haridasa Thakur Mahabhagavat Pradhan Patidina Layeteha Tina Lakshanam. Das Thakur is the teacher of the holy name. And now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu start glorifying Haridas Thakur. He says, every day he chants 3 lakh names. Namera Mahima Ami Tara Tani Shikhainu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says to Vallabh Bhatta, you see Haridas Thakur. If you want to make other devotee humble, glorify devotees. By hearing the glories of the devotees, naturally humility manifests. Namera Mahima Amitara Tai Sikhai. From Haridas Thakur I learned what is the glory of the holy name. Andhra Prasade Namera Mahima Jarilu. Only by the mercy of Haridas Thakur I could understand the Mahima of holy name. Acharya Ratna, Acharya Nidhi, Pandita Gadadhar, Jagadananda, Damodara, Shankara, Vakreshwar, Kashishwara, Mukunda, Vasudeva, Murari, Arata, Bhaktagada, Gaude, Avatari, Krishnanama, Prema Kaila, Jagata Prachar, Yaha Sabara, Sangha Krishna, Bhakti, Amahar. By giving a list of all these names, Mahaprabhu says, all these people have taught me what is devotion. I have learned pure devotional service from them. Yaha Sabara Sanghe, Krishna Bhakti, Yama. What is Krishna Bhakti? I learned from these great personalities. Bhattera Hridaya Druda Abhimana Jani. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu knew in the heart of Bhatta, there's Druda Abhiman, there's lot of pride. Bhangi Kari Mahaprabhu Kahe Etavani. All these verses Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spoke to destroy the pride in the heart of Vallabh Bhatta. So if you want to destroy the heart of pride, pride in our own heart, what you should do? Read these glories. Read the glories of devotees. Then you go, I am so insignificant. I cannot even compare. I am so tuchha. So that humility comes by hearing the glories of the devotees. Ami se Vaishnava Bhakti Siddhanta Savajani. Ami ye Bhagavata Artha Uttama Vakyati. Actually, Vallabh Bhatta was thinking within himself, Ami se Vaishnava. I am a great Vaishnava. And Bhakti Siddhanta Savajani. So I know all the philosophy, Siddhanta of Bhakti. Ami se Bhagavata Uttama Vakyani. I have given a nice, wonderful commentary on Bhagavatam. Bhattera manete yehi chila dirgha garva. In the heart of Bhakta, that this kind of great garva was there. I am a speaker of Bhagavatam. Prabhu Ravachana Suni, Sei Hoila, Kharva. You know what happened? By hearing the words of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, somehow his pride was cut. Pride was cut. It was not totally destroyed, it was still there, but he was feeling, oh, what is this? Prabhu Mukhe Vaishnavata Suniya Sabar, Bhattere Chaila Tara Sabakadi Tare. By hearing the Vaishnavata of all these devotees, then Vallabhatta had a desire to see these Vaishnavas. Then Vallabhatta told, Bhatta kahe, ye sab Vaishnava rahe kono sthane? All these Vaishnavas, where do they stay? Kono prakare painu ihara sabara darshan? How am I going to have the darshan of all these people? Then Prabhu kahe, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu kahe, kehe Gauda, kehe Deshantare. Somebody says in Gauda, somebody says in different places. Sabha, Shiyacheno Rathayatra Deki Pare. But your great fortune that they have all come to Jagannath Puri to see the Rath Yatra. Iha raheno sabhavasa nana sthane ihani paiva tumi sabaradshane. All of them are here in Jagannath Puri. They having various different residential quarters, and you can have the darshan of all of them here. Tabe Bhatta kahe bahu vinaya vachan. Bhattacharya, Vallabh Bhatta, he told. Very great humility. Bahudainya kare prabhura kailani mantram. With great humility, he told Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please come and have prasadam in my house. Aradina Sabha Vaishnava Prabhu Sthane Aila. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took all the Vaishnavas to Vallabh Bhatta's house. Sabha Sani Mahaprabhu Bhatte Milaila. To everyone, he introduced Vallabh Bhatta. Vaishnavera Teja Dekhi Bhattera Chamatkar. Bhatta became completely astonished by seeing all the Vaishnavas. Ansabara Age Bhatta Kato Daya Akar. Like in front of all the great Vaishnavas, Vallabh Bhatta was like a glowworm. Like you have sun, moon, stars, and you have a small glowworm. Vallabh Bhatta felt like Ave Bhatta Bahu Mahaprasade Anaila. Vallabh Bhatta, he brought so much Mahaprasad. Dhanasaha Mahaprabhure Bhojana Karaila. Then he made everybody take wonderful prasadam. Paramananda Puri Sange Sannyasi Ragana Ekadike Vasi Sabha Karite Bhojana. All sannyasis were there in one, headed by Paramananda Puri, sat on one side and parted prasadam. All sannyasis separately. Advaita Nityananda Rai Parshve Dvijana Madhya Mahaprabhu Vasila Age Pache Bhaktagana. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was sitting in the middle, Advaitacharya on one side, Nityananda on the other side, Nityananda on one side, Advaitacharya on the other side, sat. The devotees sat in front of the Lord and some stand behind. Gaudera Bhakta Yatha Khaite Napari Angane Vasila Savana Sari. Devotees from Bengal, so many. Gaudera Bhakta Yatha Khaite Napari. I cannot tell how many were there. They all sat down in lines in the courtyard. Prabhura Bhakta Gana Deki Bhattera Chamatkar. Vallabh Bhatta was completely amazed. Seeing at the devotees. Pratyeka Sabhana Pade Kaile Namaskar. Then he offered obeisances. The lotus to each and every one went. This is how Vallabh Bhatta behaved. Swarupa Jagadananda Kashishwara Shankar Pariveshane Kare Ara Raghava Damodar. Swarup Damodar, Jagadananda, Kashishwara, Shankara, along with Raghav Pandit, Damodar Pandit, took charge of distributing prasadam. They are all serving prasad. Mahaprasad Vallabh Bhatta Bahu Anaila. Vallabh Bhatta bring lot of Mahaprasad. Prabhu Saha Sannyasi Gana Bhojana Vasila. Along with all the sannyasis, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sat down and took prasad. Prasada Paya Vaishnavagana Bale Hari Hari. And they have to chant Hari Hari before taking prasadam. Eka Dina Shanti Pure Prabhu Advaite Rogare. You have to sing that song. Then in the last they say Hari Hari Bolo Sarvajana. And say Hari Hari and then take prasad. Hari Hari Dwani Utthe Sabha Brahmandavari. The sounds of Hari Hari print the entire Brahmanda. Mahalachandana Guvaka Ara Anekanila Sabha Puja Kari Bhattanandita Haila. So, Vaishnavas, after they finished eating, Vallabhatta brought so much of sandalwood pulp, spices, betel, and he worshipped all the devotees very nicely. Rathayatra Dine Prabhu Kirtana Arambila. On the day of Rathayatra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started doing Kirtan. Purvatpat Shata Sampradaya Prataka Karila. As every year, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu divided 7 Kirtan teams. And he divided himself into all 7 forms. And then Advaita, Nityananda, Haridas, Vakreshwar, Srivasa, Raghava, Pandita, Gadadhara, Satajana, Satatani, Karena Nartan, Hari Bola, Bola Prabhu, Karena Brahman. And all the Advaita, Nityananda, the 7 devotees, they took 7 Kirtan parties and they were dancing, lead dancers. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu expanded himself to all the 7 parties and they started dancing. He started dancing. So, the Mandala Bhaje, Ucha Sankirtan, 14 Mridangas were being played. And there was a huge congregational chanting going on. Eka Eka, Nartakera Prema, Basila Bhuvane. And each dancer's love were inundating the entire world. Deki Vallabha Bhattera, Haila Chamatka. Vallabha was completely astonished. Arandevi Vala Nahi Apana Sambala. He could not maintain himself. He could not control himself. He lost his balance. Tabe Mahaprabhu Sabaranitya Rakhaila. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he entered into each and every mandali and he started dancing as Purvatvat Apanenatya Karila Karite Lagila. Like every year it has been described that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he expanded himself with 7 Kirtan parties and 7 forms he started dancing. Prabhura Saundari Deki Ara Premodai. When Vallabhatta saw the beauty of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then his prema increased many folds. Yeta Sakshat Krishna Bhattera Haira Nishchay. Then Vallabhatta understood, Yeto Sakshat Krishna hai. He is Krishna himself. Yetamata Rathayatra Sakala Dekila. Prabhura Charitra Bhattera Chamatkara Haila. And when Vallabhatta saw this Rathayatra festival, just completely astonished. Prabhura Charitra Bhattera Chamatkara Haila by seeing the characteristics of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yatrantare Bhattaya Jai Mahaprabhu Stane Prabhu Charane Kichu Kaila Nivedan. There, one day, he went to Mahaprabhu one day, Vallabhatta. There he submitted, Mahaprabhu, I have one request. Bhagavate Tika Kichu Kariyache Likyan. I wrote a commentary on Bhagavatam. Apana Mahaprabhu Yedi Kareno Shravan. Would you like to hear? Would you like to hear? That is what Vallabhatta asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Prabhu kahe Bhagavat Bhujite na pare. I know, I cannot understand anything about Bhagavatam. Bhagavatartha Sunite Amina Adhikari. I am not qualified to hear the meaning of Bhagavatam. Vashi Krishna Nama Matra Kari Grahan. That is why I always just chant Krishna's name. I am not qualified actually to hear the Vyakhyan of Bhagavatam. That is why I just chant the holy names of the Lord. Sankhya Nama Purnamora Nahi Ratri Dine. Where is the time for me to hear Bhagavatam whole day and night? Just engrossed in chanting the names of the Lord. Whatever rounds which are fixed, I am just chanting. Bhatta kahe Krishna Namarartha Vyakhyana Vistara kariya chetaha karite shravane. Vallabh Bhatta told. See, okay, you want to hear about name, you're chanting. I'll try to describe the glory of the Holy Name. I'll already describe the glory of the Holy Name. Please hear to the explanation. Prabhu kahe Krishna namera bahu artha namani. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I don't want to hear the very many names of Krishna. I know only two names. Shama Sundara Sudanandana Yei Matra Jani. I know only two names of Krishna. I don't want to hear anything else. I just only know Sham Sundar Krishna and Yashodanandan Krishna. Tamala Shamala Tvishe Sheshoda Stana Dhaye Krishna Namno Rudheriti Sarvashastra Vinirnayaha. It is said Krishna is dark blue in color, of the Varna of the Tamala tree, and a son of Yashoda. This is the conclusion of all the revealed scriptures. That's all. There is nothing else. Krishna is Sham Sundar and Yashodananda. यही अर्थ अमिमात्र जानिए निर्धार आर सर्वार्थम मोर नहीं अधिकार. I don't have any adhikar for any other meaning, and I just only know these two names, and that's all. I don't want to know anything else. Falgu Praya Bhatter Namadi Savavyakya Sarvajna Prabhu Jani Tarak Krishna Upeksha. Or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu understand Vallabh Bhatta's explanation. Names in Srimad Bhagavatam for Falgu, for useless. Therefore, he did not even care for them. Vimana Hana Bhatta Gela Nija Ghare Prabhu Vishaye Bhakti Kichu Hoila Antar. Vallabh Bhatta had so much of bhakti for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not really treat him properly. His devotion for Chaitanya reduced. Happens then sometimes. When your Guru Maharaj doesn't treat you properly, doesn't give attention to you, what kind of Guru Maharaj you did not even look at. Same thing Vallabh Bhatta had. It's all because of our pride. Ave Bhatta Gela Pandita Goswami Thani Nana Mate Priti Kare Kare Asha Yai. Vallabh Bhatta then went to Gadadhar Pandit. So when such things happen in your life, the best is to take shelter of devotees. So he went to Gadadhar Pandit. And he kept coming and going, showing affection in various ways, and thus maintained a relation with him. Somehow he felt Gadadhar Pandit, his great attachment for Bhagavatam. Now, Nana Mate Priti Kare, to please him, he did so many things. Prabhura Upekshaye Sabha Nila Chale Rajan, Bhattera Vakyana Kichuna Kare Shravan. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu refused to hear Vallabh Bhatta's commentary on Bhagavatam and commentary on the holy name. Nobody even bothered to hear from Vallabh Bhatta. Lajjite hoila bhatta hoila apamana. He became very ashamed because of the insult. Dukkitahana gela panditerasthana. Again went to with great unhappiness, went to Gadadhar Pandit's place. Now he goes to Gadadhar Pandit's place and with great humility says, Dainakari kahe nilun tumara sharan. I have taken your shelter. Tumi kripa kari rakha amara jivan. Please save my life. And now Vallabh Bhatta tries to please Gadadhar Pandit by making him hear the Vyakhyan of the holy name, Vyakhyan of Bhagavatam. Somehow Gadadhar Pandit did not want to hear, but still he hears. The story goes further. So from next time onwards, we can continue from text number 94. So we stop here. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Chaitanya Charitamrita की जय, कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी की जय, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय.
Jai. Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you so much for covering such beautiful verses. And yeah, That's the, the way Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that I only know Yashodanandan and Shyam Sundar and I don't want to hear anyone else, like any other name of Krishna. So, Prabhu, I just have one, thing just I want to understand for my knowledge. So from Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, I know this is just out of humility, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, because he's Sarvagyata, he knows everything. But, just want to clarify that from Ramananda Rai, he said that I learned the devotional service, and from Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, the 6 philosophies.
No.
Can you just...
He says that from Sarvabhaumachari, who is the knower of 6 systems of philosophies, he is such a great personality that Sarvabhaumachari, he also practices Krishna consciousness. He is also in Krishna Bhakti. Now, he said, Ramananda actually sent him to, Sarvabhaumachari actually sent him to Ramananda. So, from Sarvabhaumachari he says, I understood devotional service is the essence. Bhakti is the essence. But in Bhakti, there is one special aspect called Rasa. The Rasa Tattva I understood from whom? So there are three tattvas. Krishna Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, Rasa Tattva. From Ramananda Rai, from Sarvabhaumachari, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say, I understood Bhakti Tattva. Whereas from Ramananda Rai, I understood, Sarvabhaumachari understood Bhakti Tattva. From Ramananda Rai, I understood Rasa Tattva. That is what he says.
Okay. Rasa Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, and third you said?
Krishna Tattva.
Sorry, Prabhu, I couldn't hear.
You see, you go to the 20th verse.
Of the same chapter?
Yes, yes. Eighteenth verse, sorry. 18, 19, no, 17, sorry. 17th verse. 17.
Yeah.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, I came to know from Advaita Acharya that Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. Okay? So he learned Krishna Tattva from Advaita Acharya. Okay?
Yeah.
Now go to 21st verse. He learned Bhakti Tattva from Sarvabhaumacharya. And then Sarvabhaumacharya sent him to Ramananda Rai. Then
Rasa Tattva. Right.
Rasa Tattva. Krishna Rasera Nidhan. Okay. So these 3 things were taught by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Rupa Goswami. Krishna Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, Rasa Tattva, Pranta, Prabhu Koile, no Bhagavata Siddhanta. This come from Rupa Sannyas, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Thank you for coming on call and giving us such a wonderful class. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Okay, we stop here.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Huh?
Prabhu, can I ask a question?
Yeah, please.
So, Prabhu, you mentioned that his Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was not ready to hear from Vallabhacharya. Any particular reason, Prabhu? He doesn't want his consciousness. I just wanted to know the reason why. Is it because of the consciousness? I know that he.
Right. Later on, it comes when Vallabhacharya, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes to Vallabhatta comes to Chaitanya and says, I want to speak to you, Bhagavad, because I have written a better commentary than Sridhar Swami's.
Okay.
That is pride.
Got it.
So if somebody thinks I can give a better class from another person, it's pride. And such a proud person, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doesn't want to hear from him.
Got it. Makes perfect sense, Prabhu. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Okay. Prabhupada ki jai. Vancha.
Vaishnavebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namo. Anantakoti Vaishnav Vrinda ki jai. Namacharya.
Namacharya Srila Haridas Thakur ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. His Grace Kamal Lochan Prabhuji ki jai. Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for giving your valuable time and association. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.